Tired of bangles getting tangled, mixed up, and taking too much space in your closet? Today I am going to share 3 genuine super easy hacks to store your Indian bangles and chooris using 3 things that you already have at home: a pant hangers, a man belts, and even a pasta jar and a box. So, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you love simple DIY organization idea, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Let's jump into the first hack. So the first egg hack is non-slip pants hanger. They come in 3 packs and they are very strong and super convenient. Just slide your bangles onto each bar of the hangers. Because it is non-slippery and bangles stay perfectly in one place. It does not take any extra space in your closet. Just hang it like your clothes and you easily pull out your bangles whenever you need them. And the best part is that you can see all your bangles arranged by colors and make it so easy to choose the right set whenever you are ready to wear them. And you can also arrange them with your churi and bangles together, like you have a different saris. But I like to wear only only the khadas and bangle. That's I'm just putting the bangles here. Let me start the second hack. So this is the basically man belts, nothing new things. And this is basically any man belts you can use it. It was just sitting there. My husband was not using the belt, so I said, now why not I can use this as a storage my bangles. And the simple slide this your bangles down from the top to bottom and just hang it anywhere in your closet. And the best part is that this is basically good for heavy your bangles, because sometimes if you are putting so much bangles in any like kind of other kind of thread, they can break it down. But you can hang it anywhere in your behind the door, and even with the bar, you have a bar in your closet, you can hang it over there. And the third hack is the pasta jar. So the pasta jar basically just make sure you have the pasta jar with the wide opening so that you can easily take it out your bangles whenever you need them. So what I did, I just basically color them with some simple color so that it looks prettier. And I always put in my next to my mirror. So whenever I need them, I just can pull it out and wear them. And they are very easy and convenient. Generally, I use it to keep my bangle that I wear very often, and they are very convenient for me since I found this hack. So yeah, this is basically 3 hack. And now fourth one is the fourth one is just the regular box. I found it in Ross somewhere. I think they come with a cup, and I'm just using this. Sometimes I have so many other bangles that I don't wear them very often. Just store them, and you can put in your bed anywhere. Easily they can. You can store it under your bed. Yeah. So these are the basically fourth hack I'm going to sharing with you. And please, yeah, let me know which is your favorite one, which one you are going to use it. And let me also know if you like to see that kind of ideas and hacks. And if you want to see how to store your Indian jewelries, please write down in the comments and I will make more video like this. Yeah, so thank you for watching my channel, and I hope you like this video. And please subscribe my channel, and I'm new content creator. I need your support. Thank you.